You're the cameraman.
I told you. Sorry about it.
All is well?
He is not fast.
All is well? All is well?
Yeah.
Good.
Dressing on it.
Big guy on campus.
This is the guy. This is why we're here.
Trying to enjoy all the efforts that you're making.
It's a teamwork, it's a team effort.
See that? It's a big team too. It's like one big happy family.
JAHJAH family.
Pegasus is smiling all the way to the bank. All this growth. Huh? How many people are in the contingent, in the delegation?
Yeah, about 45.
45. Okay.
This is kind of she's the brainstorm behind the whole thing.
Just for formality. Everyone, this is Dr. Christopher Tufton. He's Jamaica's health minister. Please say hi.
Now that we've gotten that out of the way.
Actually, you on TV.
Really?
This is your first time meeting him?
Yeah.
Take JAHJAH to do that.
I hope I look better in person.
Oh, okay. And not everyone is Jamaican.
So yes, I realize that.
Yeah.
So this was kind of unplanned. I actually have a small cocktail reception downstairs for about 25 doctors and nurses who are here. One set on the Code Care program. I don't know if you heard about that program where the nurses come to help with surgeries, backlog of surgeries. They came in today. And another set that are going to be doing some procedures up at UWI. So we have in the house a lot of volunteers from the big US of A. I wonder if it's because of the winter season, right? So I want to take the opportunity firstly to express my absolute appreciation to all of you for being here. Welcome you to Jamaica, particularly the non-Jamaicans. And we hope that you'll have a good time. How long are you going to be here?
Well, we have several programs. Some of the team won't be here tomorrow for your function.
Okay.
They'll be going to Selassie High School to do a health fair there. And then the day after that, some will be going to Harris Galley in Trenchtown to do another health fair, dental care. We have a big dental care this year. So. And on Wednesday we head west to Westmoreland where we will be doing various health fair in the western region.
So you're on the road. Yeah. I hope you take a little time to taking the beach also. I hope there's a day for that.
We'll try.
It's the same team if you see them next time.
You wouldn't be a Jamaican if you didn't try.
And if it was get dark in the evening, we would be there every day after we finish work.
But that's great. That's very commendable. We appreciate it. I'm actually going to be in New York. I'm traveling this week, which is one of the reasons I probably won't see you. I'm going to London on Tuesday morning, and then I'll be back when you're leaving. I'll be back on the weekend. But I'm in New York at a fundraiser. I'm supposed to guest speak on the 18th of February.
Levelers event.
Okay, what's the name of that organization again?
LRDJ.
Okay.
Yes.
Can't keep up with all the organizations.
But JAHJAH is one I'm sure you'll remember.
Love like David, so you make sure you're going to be there,
Can
right?
I not remember the JAHJAH?
Of course.
Jah Rastafari.
Can't forget JAHJAH. You have to tell him the right name home. Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans.
I'll be there. What is good about what we're doing now, and I know it takes a little planning to get a group like this here and all your sundries and other stuff, is that we've now been able to establish an entity within the ministry. They now have their own office. They just moved in recently, so there's still a little more tidying up to do and coordination. We've just gotten an approval from the Ministry of Finance for a larger contingent. I think it's about 8 or 10 people, including PR, including custom officer, including all sorts of stuff. And then we're going to set up a website. We have a board, a very good board. And so hopefully in the future, it will be a lot easier to coordinate these things. Because we see this as important, the outreach. It's very, very important. In fact, my message to everybody is that without partnerships, the world is less friendly, put it that way. And COVID has taught us that, right? So what we have here is always welcoming, and we're hoping to deal with some of the bureaucracy, which I know you will have to confront.
Yes.
Coming in.
Please do.
Yeah, I know.
Yep. We beg you.
We can't do everything, so we can't put you up in a hotel and pay the fees because we don't really have the money. But we certainly can ensure that all your plans follow through smoothly.
And our cameras can come through.
And the
Yes.
extent,
Yes. And our
Our
supplies.
cameras coming in last
just
night.
as long as it don't look like a weapon. you disarm it before it comes. Sorry.
The supplies.
The
yes,
supplies,
the
once you
supplies.
ship it in a charity name, could be our foundation, and it should not be a problem. If you just take it and reach the airport and then say you are who you are, even though you are who you are, the custom officer is unlikely to accept that because many people come and say one thing or the other. So you really want to get all of that down pat before, so that you get it.
The right way is usually not a
Is
problem.
that, yeah, and we do have that. But we want to expand the outreach and the gifting and where we can have a sort of reciprocal type of relationship to the extent that we can help. We are happy to take those on board. I've been touring parts of the US looking at health systems, connecting with a lot of Jamaicans with high office around things like training and clinical rotation and dual work permits so people can work here and there, that kind of thing, because of the obvious shortage of nurses in particular, but also specialists. And we're doing a lot of build out of hospitals now, the most significant since independence. Some major build out. Problem with it is we have people to put in there when they finish, and that's a huge problem. And I know the US is going through some of that too in terms of health system, but I'm assuming that not everybody here is a health person.
Maybe about 85–90% of them.
Okay, nurses and doctors, or
Yes, nurses and doctors.
Oh, okay.
And dentists.
Dentists.
Which are physicians also, doctors
Okay.
A
also.
lot of techs.
Some of them young people look like them are high schoolers.
Well, JAHJAH is the younger foundation.
Yes. Ah, boy.
But I want, on behalf of the volunteers, I just want to thank you guys for all volunteering your time freely to be here. It's a big deal. Volunteerism is something that keeps us going, and we don't always have the Minister of Health to say thank you in person, but just know that the people of Jamaica really thank you for all your efforts and time. So
Absolutely. So, thank you very much. I am going to go downstairs. I'll happily take a picture or something with you guys.